Howdy everybody. I wanted to do a real quick video on a new truck and go over some features that I just don't like or things I found missing on the truck so far. First off, there's three things that kind of strike me right out of the box. Number one, the exhaust brake. Absolutely love having an exhaust brake, works great for towing, but you have to manually turn it on every single time you start the vehicle. At work I drive a Dodge, and whenever you have the exhaust brake on, it just cycles every time. When the truck starts, it remains on. It even says in the Duramax manual, you have to turn it on every single time, and it's kind of a pain. Number two, there's no upfitter switches. I've got some things I'd like to add. There's 2 or 3 spots here or there they could put upfitter switches, but there's absolutely no upfitter switches that come with this truck. I know some people have done some aftermarket hacks for it, but there is nothing and no option for this truck. And number three, there is no adjustability to the brake and accelerator pedals. Nothing. And this truck's pretty loaded, has all the options, and I looked, and that doesn't even come as an option on this vehicle. As an added bonus, and kind of the what is the real reason for that, this button. Hit that button one time, and all 4 windows roll down at once. I absolutely never roll down all my windows. If you guys think of another reason it's helpful, throw something down in the comments. I can't find a reason for it. And in fact, that double whip button right there would be a perfect place for a couple of upfitter switches. So anyway, thanks for watching, and Happy New Year to everybody.